Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use ROUNDUP in Excel formula. We access the Excel file. You will be able to see the data to be rounded. Place the cursor in a cell, then enter the equal sign, then the ROUNDUP function, choose the initial cell, enter the semicolon, and finally assign the number of decimals to add. Press Enter to see the rounded price. Drag this function to the other cells, and you can modify the number of decimals to see how it affects the result. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.